Alright, y'all. So, couple of videos now of me posting how to check your fuses and various Fluke meters. They're getting a whole bunch of dislikes. The dislikes are from the people that are wrong. Now, I get my information from Fluke user manuals and Fluke service manuals. I'm correct. If anybody argues with this, unless I make a mistake making the video, which could happen, I'm correct. And if I'm incorrect, Fluke's incorrect. We're going to start off with the oldest, 8060A. Set the range to 2,000 ohms. Reading should be 0.1000 or so, and both fuses are good. Now we're just going to do milliamps because the 10 amps ones, it's always like half ohm or less. For the 27, range is 5.3 to 6 ohms is good. 77, 4 to 8 ohms is good. 79 series 2, 10 to 12 ohms is good. The 179, less than 12 ohms is good. The 87V, it should read approximately 1,000 ohms. The 189, it should read approximately 10,000 ohms. Now, this one we can't do it. We'll go with this one. Put this one. Put it all in the 10 amps, 10 amps, 10 amps, 10 amps, 10 amps. That one, you can't do that. But, alright. 27.1 to 0.13 is good. Wait a minute. The 10 amp fuses read as if you were checking a fuse outside of the machine. That's why they do that. 0.1. 0.1. 0.1. I don't know why people are disliking those videos so much. Alright, these are the specs. Feel free to pause on these all you want. From Fluke user manuals and Fluke service manuals. You cannot argue with these. You can dislike all you want, but I'm correct. So, people are really disliking these checking your fuse videos. But here you go, man. I just went a span of 1981 to like 2004 in how to check your fuses. So if people are telling you I'm wrong, you don't need to listen to that person about any advice ever again on multimeters. Alright, y'all. Y'all have the day you deserve.